don't want all this, anybody involved. Now I'm hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of the apples, or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All these nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of my reputation.
Ndege ruru ụlọ na akwa na-ebe